My name is Kitty Burns, and this is my house, and this is part of my heat pump system, and hi. I guess I've been really concerned about climate change, and so I found ways to learn about what I can do as a person to help combat that. And one of the ways that seemed really wonderful to me was through a group called HeatSmart. And I got involved with them and learned a lot about heat pumps and thought they were really great. But I also thought I could never afford one. I'm retired, I have a limited income, and it just seemed totally out of my reach. Then, one day, I got an email about a program through NYSERDA where people could get heat pumps, and if you met certain income guidelines, you could get them for free. I talked to people who knew about heat pumps, either had them or were familiar with them. And I called a friend who I knew was very familiar with heat pumps and told him that I was interested in doing this, and asked him who he thought would be good for me to work with. And he said, well, I think Halco would be good for you. And I said, okay. So I called Halco and made an appointment for somebody to come here. And George came and just went all through my house and took all these notes and interviewed me and said, well, I think you're eligible, but we'll see. And I was eligible. And so quite soon after that, actually, I was amazed at how quickly it was. People showed up and started installing the heat pump. First, they had to put in a 200 amp electrical service because I only had a 100 amp service. And then they came and they were amazing. The thing that I really loved about Halco, other than the fact that they were installing this wonderful heat pump for me, was that they were all really nice. And they seemed to understand and respect the fact that this is my home. You know, it's not just another job. This is my home. And the team that put in the pump themselves were just so knowledgeable. They knew exactly what they were doing and did it. And anytime a question arose, they would ask me my opinion and what I wanted. And it wasn't like they were just trampling around doing what they wanted to do. Everybody I dealt with put me at ease and made me feel that I could ask them anything I wanted to. I could tell them anything I wanted to. And I did. And it was, for me, it was not only an easy process, but an enjoyable process. The way they treated me, I think, is my most favorite thing. My second most favorite thing is the fact that they put in this wonderful system, you know. But I would say, yeah, they just, it was almost like having family members come in and, you know, just be very natural and very, very good.